You still tired? That's her morning ritual. She always clean her feet. Yeah? Clean your feet. You never go nowhere last night. Hi. Sister. Sassy girl. Ow. That's all she does in the morning. Clean her feet. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetie. You ready to go walk doodoo shishi? So it's a wet morning. It was raining a little bit. So we're just wiping her paws. We're using the wipes from, I think it was Ross's, and it's made Ellen. Ellen made those. Well, it has her name. I don't know if she made it. Well, come here, sister. She did her run. Good girl. Let's wipe your stomach. Because it was raining, huh? Okay. Now you. Okay, there you go. So these are the wipes that we do use to like wipe her feet. I use to wipe her feet. It was only $3.99 at Ross. She seems not to be irritated by them, but when I did use these on her stomach, she kind of got a rash from this one here. It has like a perfume on there, maybe that's why. So I just try to use this to wipe the floor and rug if she throws up and stuff now. That one was at Marshall's, but these definitely work well with her. Hypoallergenic and so for this morning I'll be taking my coffee to go today. My sister got me some cups that you can take out with you. Yeah, because I don't have time to drink it at home, so I'm gonna take it with me to my appointment. Oh. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna do. So my mom got these ones. It's like an instant coffee mix. So I just kind of mixed this with my coffee. I know it might be a little bit strong, but I like it like that. I think these are like, there's some from, like the other one from Vietnam. It's cappuccino. I like that one. That one's really good. I don't have a picture of that one though. Yeah. So I put these, add this with my coffee, and that's like the creamer as well. It's Coca-Cola. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get down. I don't want to pick you up. Okay, so for dinner, I'm just gonna like chop up some of this pork chops. It's like this, but I cut it in half and then end up cutting it like these. I'm gonna fry some of that up. Fry some of that up. Just add some salt, pepper, or garlic salt. and pepper. Just cut up some zucchini into noodles. I'm gonna cook that with some butter and garlic. Okay, so this is about 1.5 zucchini. Put a couple scoops butter. I want to put a little bit more because I love butter. And then I'm gonna just put some of this in there as well. I'm gonna put this into the noodles with the zucchini. I love garlic too. It's up to you if you want to put garlic, whatever. I love garlic, so I'm gonna put it in both. Okay, and then just wait for this to saute. We'll be adding this into there, and then my pork chop into here. So let's see. Pork chop with all this together. I'm just making whatever I have left in my refrigerator, making do. So I'm gonna go and eat that up right now. Let's see, it might look better than it tastes. Okay, this is the end finished product. So we're gonna go and eat now. Here you go, Carrie. Alrighty guys, so I'll be closing out this video for Vlogmas day 6. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!